Today I'll show you how to stir-fry Dungeness crab with bell peppers and onions. It is tasty as it looks.
Prepare
the crabs. 2 fresh Dungeness crabs. Pull out the crab's mouth and anything in the way. Rinse the crabs a few times under cold tap water to get them clean as possible. Pull open the crab shell. Take off all the gills. Do the same on this side too. Pour out the juice, set aside. Cut off the tips where there are no meat. Cut off the legs and claws, set aside. Split the crab's body into 2 pieces. Repeat the steps on the other half. Scoop out the crab rudder into a small dish. Discard the shell. Prepare the other ingredients. 2 bell peppers. Remove the seeds, slice and cut into thick pieces. 1 whole onion. Cut into thick pieces. 1 garlic head. Mince into small pieces. 3 green onions. Cut the white parts in half. Cut into 2 inches long. 1 thumb of ginger. Slice, cut into thin strips. The sauce ingredients. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of each of the following ingredients. Sugar, fish sauce, sesame oil, barbecue sauce. Here are the rest of the ingredients. Oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, rice cooking wine, pepper, chicken soup base. Stir thoroughly, set aside. Let's cook. Add 3 tablespoons of oil when the pan is hot. Wait 20 seconds, then add ginger.
ចាំមួយសន្ទុះទៀតដាក់ខ្ញីចូល
Stir medium to low heat for 30 seconds to bring out the fragrance.
ត្រឡប់ក្នុងក្តៅមកភ្ជុំទៅកម្ដៅទាបកន្លះនាទីដើម្បីឲ្យចេញក្លិន
Add garlic. Stir back and forth for 30 seconds to mix them up.
ដាក់ខ្ទឹមសចូលត្រឡប់កន្លះនាទីទៀតឲ្យចូលគ្នា
Add the thick part of green onions. Save the rest for later.
ដាក់គល់ខ្ទឹមចូលទុកស្លឹកចុងក្រោយ
Stir a little to soften them up.
ត្រឡប់បន្តិចឲ្យទន់
Add 1 tablespoon of oil.
ថែមខ្លាញ់មួយស្លាបព្រាបាយ
Put all the crabs in the pot.
ចាក់ក្តាមចូលទាំងអស់
Toss for 30 seconds in high heat to combine.
ត្រឡប់កន្លះនាទីក្នុងក្តៅមកភ្ជុំឲ្យចូលគ្នា
Add 4 teaspoons of sauce.
ដាក់ទឹកជ្រលក់4ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ
Toss quickly for 30 seconds to get the flavor in the crabs.
ត្រឡប់កន្លះនាទីទៀតដើម្បីឲ្យគ្រឿងចូលជាតិក្តាម
Steam on high with the lid on for 1 minute.
បិទគ្របផ្ងំវា1នាទីក្នុងកម្ដៅខ្ពស់
Toss for 30 seconds.
ឆាត្រឡប់កន្លះនាទីទៀត
Add all the onions and bell peppers. Toss to mix them up.
ដាក់បន្លែចូលទាំងអស់ត្រឡប់វាឲ្យលាយចូលគ្នា
Add 2 teaspoons of sauce. Toss for 1 minute.
ដាក់ទឹកជ្រលក់2ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេត្រឡប់1នាទី
Always add the sauce a little at a time to balance the flavor and to keep the vegetables nice and crunchy.
ពេលយើងឆាវាដាក់ទឹកជ្រលក់បន្តិចម្ដងឲ្យចូលជាតិល្អហើយបន្លែនៅស្រួយ
Add all the green onions. Toss a little to mix it in there.
ដាក់ស្លឹកខ្ទឹមចូលត្រឡប់បន្តិចឲ្យលាយចូលក្នុង
Pour all the sauce in the pot.
ចាក់ទឹកជ្រលក់ចូលទាំងអស់
Toss for 30 seconds to mix the sauce in there.
ត្រឡប់កន្លះនាទីទៀតដើម្បីឲ្យគ្រឿងក្រៅលាយចូលគ្នា
Steam again for 1 minute to cook the meat inside your crab.
ផ្ងំ1នាទីទៀតដើម្បីឲ្យសាច់ឆ្អិតល្អ
Take off the lid.
បើកគ្របចេញ
Pour all the crab butter to one side. Stir to heat it up before mixing together.
ចាក់ខួរក្តាមទៅម្ខាងកូរបន្តិចឲ្យវាក្តៅមុនលាយចូលគ្នា
Toss for 2 minutes. Turn off the flame.
ត្រឡប់2នាទីហើយបិទភ្លើង
Cook time is 10 minutes.
ពេលវេលាចម្អិនចំណាយពេលវេលា10នាទី
Stir fry Dungeness crab with bell peppers and onions are now ready. It is tasty and costs less to cook at home. When you are hungry, you can make it. Thank you so much for dropping by. See you in the next episode.
ក្តាមឆាជាមួយទេសផ្លោកហើយនឹងខ្ទឹមបារាំងរួចរាល់អស់ហើយបងប្អូនវាឆ្ងាញ់អស់លុយតិចធ្វើក្នុងផ្ទះបើបងប្អូនឃ្លានអាចធ្វើញ៉ាំបានអរគុណជាច្រើនដែលមកទស្សនាជួបគ្នានៅភាគបន្តទៀត